Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word sewing. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She spent hours sewing a beautiful quilt for her daughter's birthday. Sewing refers to the act of joining or attaching fabrics or materials together using a needle and thread to create clothing, accessories, or decorative items. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.